Cybercrime police are urging senior citizens to exercise extreme caution following a sophisticated digital life certificate scam that recently defrauded a retired government servant of over 8 lakh rupees. A 73-year-old resident of Margao became a victim of cyber criminals who were posing as bank officials. The fraud began when the victim was contacted via WhatsApp by individuals claiming to be executives of a nationalized bank. The scammers informed the pensioner that the life certificate he had recently submitted online for pension verification had not been processed due to technical errors. Offering assistance to rectify the issue, the fraudsters convinced the victim to install an APK, means Android Package Kit file sent directly through the messaging app. Believing the source to be legitimate, the victim installed the APK file, which granted the attackers remote access to his device. Once the malicious APK app was installed, the victim was prompted to enter sensitive personal details and his debit card credentials. Shortly after, the scammers gained full control of his banking access, leading to the fraudulent withdrawal of 8,08,000 rupees. The funds were quickly dispersed across multiple untraceable accounts. Goa Cybercrime Police, where the FIR is registered in connection with this case, has issued a stern warning regarding APK fraud. Unlike official apps downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, these files can capture passwords, OTPs and banking credentials. Those QPK APK files allow hackers to view screens and intercept messages in real time. It operates silently in the background without the user's knowledge. The public is advised by the Cybercrime Police never to install APKs from WhatsApp. Banks and government agencies will never send software updates or applications via messaging apps. If you suspect a scam or have shared details, immediately call the National Cybercrime Helpline at 1930 or report the incident at cybercrime.gov.in. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.